Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to read a poem for you. The poem is from class 5, lesson number 3, Bird Talk. Let's find out what the two birds, Robin and Jay, are talking about. Bird talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all. You know, they don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Are people funny to be that way? The poet of this poem is Alan Fisher. Dear students, kindly remember it. Now, dear students, listen this poem very carefully and try to read it again and again. I'll see you very shortly. Bye-bye.